Hi everyone, welcome back to my Subelia channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and in this video I'm going to unbox the BoxyCharm Premium January 2020, and this was better box. This was more exciting box than the regular box that I received, and the first one, it's the variation number 31, and again it's the theme brick and ice. So let me go ahead and show you what I got in this box here. The first item that I received, it's Bliss Pore Patrol Dip Detox for Clay Soufflé Mask. This product here. And then the second product that I received is the Best Brow Kit Ever $1 Billion Brows. This one here. And then I received the Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow. And then I the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Serum with hyaluronic acid. This one here. And then I received the Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser Probiotic Skin Care. This one here. I made like quick read, and it's kind of seems really promising product, so excited to try that. And the exciting, but for when I'm filming this video, there's kind of things happening with Niku tutorials and Too Faced and people are getting really angry and they're saying cancel Too Faced. So I don't know if I should be excited or not for this product here. So it's the Palm Spring Dreams, and it's a really nice palette. I mean, look at the colors, they are really gorgeous, and I will just keep it at that. But the packaging and everything is really cute, but I will not take too much time on that brand today because there's lots of things going on in YouTube world. So now let me show you really quickly the second box. And if you don't know, if you didn't watch my other videos, all the BoxyCharm, all the subscription box that you see in my channel, I paid with my own money, so they're not sent to me. So the second box, I have few items in double, but the rest is all different. And like I said, I really like the variation for the premium. So this one, it's the variation number 29, and in this one I'm going to show you the doubles that I have. Again, the box, not the box, the Brow Kit, and the Lolita eyeshadow, and the Farsali Radiance Serum. And this one, what I have different, it's the Scent Luxe Eyeliner Trio. And let me show you really quickly the colors. These are the colors inside, so really nice everyday color. And then I have the Skin Fix. Now it's been a few months back to back that we received the Skin Fix products. So it's a brand that I will discover, of course. So I have this one here. I didn't say, it's the Resurface Plus Glycolic Renewing Scrub. This one, I think they are okay for sensitive skin. I'm not sure, I have to check that also, or I will maybe not be able to use it. And then again, the second product that I was pretty excited, but I'm not going to show too much of excitement, but it's the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry palette. I mean, the packaging for this palette, I am in love. I really love them. And this is the palette here. It's so gorgeous. And yeah, so I'm really excited. This is the thing that I like, because for this box, even though I'm getting a double items, same items, I'm discovering brands and I'm getting more and more product so that I can talk about them, show them, and do tutorials, try them, and give you reviews on the product. So I'm pretty excited. Even though like I said, I received double items, overall I'm pleased with the boxes because I'm really discovering, like, before I subscribed to BoxyCharm, I didn't have any Natasha Denona, anything. And since I'm subscribed, I think I have 2 products or 3. So if you have more questions about the box, the fees and everything, if you're in Canada, just check my description box. You will have the details there. And if you want to subscribe, you can use my referral code, and I will have some points, and I can redeem them through some product in the Charmers like market. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.